As you can see the quality on the rear of this thing, the quality is amazing, really. In the magnets, the size, and just the overall quality. Hey there, Internet, Keav here, and this video is about the BAVSOUND Stage 1 Harman Kardon upgrade for my BMW F30. These speakers create much more clarity at higher volumes, so you can actually play it even louder. But the good thing is they put up so much more output that you don't have the volume as high to get the sound that you're getting. I can't wait to get these in. Let's get right into it. As you can see the speaker, it's just the quality is just amazing. These are for the doors. As you can see the quality on the rear of this thing, the aluminum housing and everything, it's just, the quality is amazing, really. Now for the tweeter for the front and the rear. So that's what it looks like up close. Nice metal finish. And then you got the back, just like the last tweeter, just great quality. So we're gonna start on the driver's side front door. Next, we're gonna put the tweeter in. Just like we took the other one out, there's just these prongs, and you just snap the tweeter in. So here's the BAVSOUND and the original. I mean, just look at the difference in the magnets, the size, and just the overall quality. We put our T20s back in. Now we put the door panel on. Line up those. There we go. Then you pop them in. Now putting our trim piece back on. We're done. Get in there a little bit. There we go. Pop that one out. So now we're gonna plug our blue. So now we put our cover on. Look at that. We are done. Well, how easy was that? That is one of the biggest things about BAVSOUND, outside of that awesome sound and clarity, is how easy it is. It is factory plug and play. So check the link in the description below for BAVSOUND. Go check out the website. It's an amazing product. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.